Admittedly, I had this product all wrong when I first saw it. I thought it was a giant wine glass because Drinkstuff, we sell loads of those sort of things. But this isn't. This is actually a giant wine glass decanter. 1.9 litres, 66.8 ounces. And do you know what? It's cool. I don't know whether you see it. You've got this little lip on the side there that makes it really easy to pour. And I think that's genius. That is a whole bottle of red wine. I put the bottle away now, but we've got Aldi's finest red wine in there. So that is one bottle. So you'd easily get a second bottle in there. As I said, 1.9 litres. I'm not sure you'd want to put a second bottle in there because then it will be quite heavy. But it's easy enough to pour. Look, one-handed, whole bottle of wine. Put that on the middle of the table. Let the air get to your nice red wine, and you could, when you've got a dinner party or guests coming around or whatever, I think that is a genius way of just serving up wine at home. Or, to be fair, kind of novelty in a restaurant or anything like that. I think that's absolutely amazing. So 1.9 litres, 66.8 ounces, giant wine glass decanter, easily holds a bottle of red wine or bottle of white wine or whatever you want to put in there. Sangria maybe, Pims and lemonade, all that sort of stuff. I think that is brilliant. I think that's a great idea for parties, restaurants, novelty pubs, that kind of thing. Genius.